In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a project timeline dashboard in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, visual timeline with tasks and clear dependencies so your project phases flow in the right order. Start by heading to Notion.com. On the home page, click Login, then choose to continue with Google. Select your account to complete the sign-in. Once you're in your workspace, create a fresh canvas by adding a new page from the sidebar. Give your page a clear, memorable name, something like Project Timeline, so it's easy to find later. Directly under the page title, type /timeline view. This quick command pulls up Notion's block menu and filters it to the timeline option. Click Timeline View to insert it. When Notion asks how you want to source your data, choose New Empty Data Source. That way, you're starting with a blank set tailored to this project rather than pulling in unrelated items. You'll see a few placeholder cards on the timeline. Click the first one and rename it to Planning. This represents your initial phase. Click the second card and rename it to Development. Then click the third and rename it to Review and Launch. Naming cards as phases or key deliverables keeps the timeline simple and readable while you're getting set up. Next, adjust the schedule visually. Click any task to focus it, then drag the bar to shift when it starts, or drag the ends to shorten or extend its duration. This is one of the biggest advantages of a timeline view. You can fine-tune dates directly on the canvas without opening separate date fields. Now let's set up dependencies so phases line up automatically. Open the View settings, choose More Settings, and go to Dependencies. Turn on Dependencies. With this enabled, tasks can be linked so one begins only after another finishes, keeping your plan realistic when timelines change. To connect tasks, click the first task and use the small arrow handle to draw a link to the second task. That creates a finish-to-start relationship, meaning development will follow planning. Repeat the connection from the second task to the third, and continue until all tasks are chained in the order you expect. From here, test your setup. Grab the planning bar and move it. You'll see the dependent tasks shift to maintain the sequence. This makes rescheduling painless during real-world changes. That's your project timeline dashboard in Notion. A named page, a timeline view from a new data source, clearly labeled phases, adjustable durations, and dependencies that keep everything aligned. Save the page, and you're ready to manage your project with confidence.